Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Daniel here and welcome back for another video. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing the i7S Bluetooth earbuds. So these earbuds are available in a lot of colors, actually like 5 colors I guess. Yeah, they're available in 5 colors. The availability of these earbuds is also in a wide range. You can find them pretty much everywhere. So let's go ahead and unbox the. Alright, so the first thing that we have is the box itself. Now I have already unboxed these once, but I am going to do the unboxing once again. So on top we have the cable. That is a standard Android cable which you can get in pretty much any other charger. Let's put that aside and let's take the overall package over here. It's going to come out real quick. So first up we have the plastic packaging. Let's take the plastic packaging off and we have the AirPods, and I think the cover is really cool and they look pretty much like the AirPods, Apple AirPods in white color. Then we have some manuals over here. Oh god, this is a pretty long manual. I'm not gonna read it because I don't know a lot of people really know how to use AirPods. So let's just put them aside and take a look at the AirPods. So the cover is made out of plastic and inside the AirPods look most like the AirPods. Oh, they have some lighting over here which basically indicates that they are powered on and looking for Bluetooth. Let's take the second one out, and yeah, their design is pretty much like the AirPods from first generation. The box over here is more like the AirPods box. So yeah, let's just review these. Let's just put the packaging aside and start the review. Alright, so the thing that I have observed in these is that the case of these earbuds is, I think, very high quality. I think it is not the most high quality, but it's not bad either. I think it's in the middle range. And of course a lot of the triggers and stuff, also all of these are a nice touch actually, like the blue to red color tone is also really great in these earbuds. And I think if you take them out in the public, I think they are going to get a lot of attention. Like, you're just gonna have a ton of attention when you're gonna wear these. Alright, so the sound quality of these earbuds is really great as well. I think the bass and all those NCS beats, I think they sync really nicely in these AirPods. So I think the sound quality is not going to affect the overall experience. The call quality is great. I think you can't really complain a lot in this price point, but I think call quality and sound quality, you're not gonna have any problem with either of them. Anyway, this was the short unboxing and review of the i7S earbuds. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the very next video.